If you are using Anaconda on Windows to learn Python, you can actually learn Python by using Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook that comes as part of Anaconda. You can actually get into this graphical user interface by searching for Anaconda Navigator, and you can see the Jupyter Lab launch, Jupyter Notebook launch here. However, when you click on launch for Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook, it will start a web service on port number 8888 by default, and also it will redirect it to the browser. And then as part of the browser, it will take us to the web service with /lab if you use Jupyter Lab, and it will actually take us to the folders which are part of the home directory. So these are the folders which I have as part of my home directory for the user, which I have used to log into this Windows machine, and you can see all these subfolders. However, you might want to use D drive or E drive. There is no easy way to access D drive or E drive using Jupyter Lab that is launched using Anaconda Navigator. There is an option which is nothing but open from path under file. Even if you click on that open from path, if you try to give the D drive here, it will not work. However, this file from path option might work on Mac or Linux because it starts with /, and if you actually give the path, it might work. But on Windows, it doesn't work. So how to access the notebooks that are under D drive? You dismiss this, close this browser, close the navigator, say quit here. Now you go to the search bar and search for Anaconda. On top of Anaconda Navigator, you will see other options such as prompt, PowerShell, etc. So in this case, I will be using Anaconda PowerShell prompt rather than Navigator. I can click on it. Here, I can go to the D drive. If there is a folder under this, I can go into the directory also. And then I can actually say Jupyter Lab, which will launch the Jupyter Lab for us. The reason why it will work is when I actually say Anaconda PowerShell prompt. You see here, it is actually using the Anaconda's virtual environment, which is nothing but Python-based virtual environment. Whatever is available as part of the Anaconda can be easily accessed from here. So now I can say Jupyter Lab, and it will launch the web service for us. Also redirects us to the browser under localhost colon 8888/lab. However, you don't see all these folders now here because under D drive I don't have anything. I just have a couple of files, and those files are visible here. Now, if I want to go to a different folder altogether and try to access the files directly from that location, let's say under C drive, under users, my username, there is a folder called as ITversity books. In that, there is a subfolder called as Data Engineering Bootcamp. Let's say I want to get into that Data Engineering Bootcamp folder, and then into 30 basics of programming using Python. This is the folder where I have Python based notebooks. If I directly launch from here, I can go into this folder and then say Jupyter Lab and hit enter. It will actually launch the web service, and it will be pointing to the notebooks that are available under that folder. You can see here. Once the Jupyter Lab is launched, we can only access the files and subfolders from there. We will not be able to go to its parent directory and access from there, especially on Windows. If you have to access from a particular directory which is not under the current directory subfolders, then you have to kill this and go back to the original location and launch Jupyter Lab from there. That is how you should be able to access the notebooks anywhere lying on your Windows-based system.